मुसलमा को मुसलमा कर दिया तूफान मगरिब ने, तला तुम्हारे दरिया से है गोहर की सैराबी. There are storms rising from the Western world. These are the storms of lawlessness, unethical practices, and these storms have made Muslim youth a better Muslim. Just like when there is a storm in the ocean, the oysters are disturbed, and that's when a pearl starts to form within them. अता मोमिन को फिर दरगाहे हक से होने वाला है, शिकवाए तर्कमानी ज़हन हिंदी नुत्क़े आराबी. Soon the youth of Muslims will be getting 3 gifts from the Almighty Allah. Those will be the glory of Turks, the logic, thinking skills of the Muslims of India, and the eloquence, the way of communication of the Arabs.